All right, guys, so you are going to practice drawing three pieces of furniture, whatever type of furniture it is that you want to draw, and you're just going to draw them in here, okay? So whatever that is that you want it to look like, if you want to draw a dresser, you want to practice the bed again, you want to practice a couch, you want to practice whatever it is you want to draw, you can practice that again, okay? So I'm just pulling all this back to that vanishing point right there, all right? Let's say I wanted to make this into a bookshelf because that's something I haven't done yet. So if I wanted to make it into a bookshelf, I need it to look like a shelf. So this line here is our parallel line we're looking for to bring that bookshelf back to real life. So I'm putting one at the edge of each one of these, and I can line up the bottom parts of these with the perspective point and bring this straight up here. And you can kind of see the bookshelf will actually look like it's three-dimensional and that it goes back, like you can go into each one of these shelves here. Okay, this doesn't quite, it's pretty much there. It's kind of there. The one up top you really wouldn't see. You'd actually see the bottom of these. Okay, so now we kind of have like a little thing where, you could even put like a coat hanger across, hang clothes up in here or something like an armoire. All right, or if you wanted to put your books in there, you could just draw your books kind of in a line, different sizes and stuff, make like a little bookshelf. Okay. If you want to put shoes at the bottom, maybe it's a closet too. Okay. Those are really bad shoes, but gives you some ideas. So again, you're just practicing drawing furniture, whatever type of furniture it is that you want to draw. So if I wanted to try and draw a couch again, if I have my vanishing point here, okay, I can think about my couch looking straight at me. Draw the back of my couch really quick. So the side of my couch is lining up with the vanishing point. Bring that across. Vanishing point is going to come down, because that's the bottom of my couch. So this side and this side is what's lined with the vanishing point. This is the back of my couch. Once I get that basic in, I can do things like draw the armrest for the couch. They're going to go back to the vanishing point as well. Okay. I can draw the cushions for the couch, which are going back to my vanishing point as well. Okay. So think about your cushions. Think about that overall detail that you could put into things like a couch. So once you kind of start to draw in what it is you want, get rid of all the lines you don't want. I'm just darkening up some of my lines here. I'm not doing anything new or different. Guys, when you are drawing, you need to use a ruler. I know I didn't because I draw a lot, but when you look at it, okay, if it's crooked or messed up, you need to use that ruler. So remember, my vanishing point was here. It's over here on this one, okay? Um, Again, whatever type of furniture it is that you think that you want to try and draw, you're more than welcome to do that, okay? So if I wanted to try and draw a table, I could do that. Draw one a little bit taller this time. So draw your overall shape first. Once you draw that shape, you're going to bring it back to your vanishing point. This line is parallel to that line. This line is parallel to that line. Remember that this middle line is also in perspective here. Okay. So once we get this foot here, this is going to come across the top. That one's already there, so we need the one on this side. The bottom's in perspective. This one's already here for us, so we need the opposite one. Okay. You probably would even see this one over here at this table because it's a little bit higher up. Okay. So now we have a table. Okay. So again, it just says draw three pieces of furniture into perspective. Your choice of what you want to draw to practice drawing furniture just a little bit more. Okay.